gonna get this going. So yeah, here we go once again, back with Ultimate Collection 2016-17 Ultimate Collection Hockey. This is break number 6, and we have this one ending in serial number 45 for tonight, guys. So here we go. Sealed box ready to go. Thank you to everyone who took a team on eBay once again, and we'll see what we could do for you guys tonight. Good luck. Ultimate Collection, always fun. Right to it here with only 4 cards per pack. So there we have it, guys. See what we have tonight. All right, and we do have a patch. Cool, nice. It looks nice. So we'll see what we do. We'll see what we have for tonight. All right, guys. What do I have here? All right. So we started off, guys, with a Matthew Tkachuk. Really butchered down. Matthew Tkachuk. Sorry about that, guys, but there we go. For the Calgary Flames to start it off, Ultimate Introduction Rookies for the Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. No numbering on these ones, so there we have it. Start things off. Next up, we got... All right, pretty cool one. Nice. I'll keep that one for last. So we have for the Pittsburgh Penguins, on-card rookie autograph of Dominic Simon to 299 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Dominic Simon for the Pittsburgh Penguins to 299. For the Vancouver Canucks, we have a rookie, ultimate rookie jersey, single blue jersey here, numbered out of 249 for the Canucks. Thatcher Demko. Pretty decent prospect, goalie prospect there for the Canucks. We'll see if he could make an impact pretty soon. And we have our last hit here. For the Boston Bruins, we have a really nice signature material laureates. Sorry guys, I don't know about this one, but it's a really nice 2-color patch on-card autograph of David Backes for the Boston Bruins. So pretty sweet one right there. This one is numbered 36 of 99 for the Bruins. So there we have it for tonight, guys. There you go for the Bruins. So thanks again, everyone, for joining on this one, and we'll see you guys soon.